Plant FAQs, Hosta elegans. Hosta elegans, unveiling the beauty and strength of this shade-loving giant. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the elegance and resilience of Hosta elegans. Often nicknamed the giant blue hosta, this shade-loving perennial adds a touch of sophistication and texture to any garden. Today, I'm here to answer your most burning questions about this captivating plant. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hosta elegans special? The magic of Hosta elegans lies in its stunning foliage. Imagine large, heart-shaped leaves boasting a mesmerizing smoky blue hue, almost frosted at the edges. As the plant matures, the leaves develop a captivating texture, becoming heavily corrugated and adding depth to the landscape. This unique combination of color and texture makes Hosta elegans a true showstopper in any shade garden. But the beauty doesn't stop there. In midsummer, the plant gracefully produces clusters of white, bell-shaped flowers atop tall scapes. These delicate blooms add a touch of whimsy and contrast the bold foliage perfectly. Here's what truly sets Hosta elegans apart. Low maintenance. This is a plant that rewards neglect. Hosta elegans thrives with minimal fuss. Just provide consistent moisture and well-drained soil, and it will happily grace your garden for years to come. Slug-resistant. Unlike many other Hosta varieties, Hosta elegans possesses a natural defense against those pesky slugs. The thick, corrugated leaves are less appealing to these slimy garden pests. Versatility. Hosta elegans shines in various settings. Plant it as a stunning backdrop for colorful flowers. Use it to create borders, or let it form a majestic clump as a focal point in your shade garden. It even thrives in containers, adding a touch of elegance to patios and balconies. Hosta elegans versus Blue Angel. I've found Hosta elegans to be a standout in my garden, with its broad, corrugated leaves that create a lush ground cover, especially in shaded areas. Hosta Blue Angel, on the other hand, has a more vibrant hue that catches my eye every time I walk by, adding a refreshing burst of color to my garden beds. How to plant and care for Hosta elegans. Planting your Hosta elegans is a breeze. Choose a location with dappled sunlight or light shade. The plant thrives in well-drained, moist soil rich in organic matter. Here are some key steps to ensure its success. Dig a hole. Make it twice the width and depth of the root ball. Amend the soil. Mix compost or aged manure into the soil to improve drainage and fertility. Plant. Gently place the Hosta elegans in the hole, ensuring the crown sits level with the soil surface. Water thoroughly. Give your new plant a good soaking to settle the roots. Mulch. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds, keeping your Hosta elegans happy. Once established, caring for your Hosta elegans is a breeze. Here's what it needs to thrive. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Fertilizing. Feed your Hosta elegans with a balanced fertilizer once in spring. Dividing. If your Hosta elegans becomes too large, you can divide it in early spring to create more plants. With minimal effort, you can keep your Hosta elegans looking gorgeous for years to come. Conclusion. Hosta elegans, a shade garden gem. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, Hosta elegans is a fantastic choice. Its captivating foliage, ease of care, and shade tolerance make it a valuable addition to any garden. So, if you're looking for a plant that offers both beauty and resilience, look no further than the Hosta elegans. It's a true garden gem waiting to be discovered.